Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to change your username in Reddit Mobile, so let's jump right into it. Now if you open your browser and go to their help center under reddit.com, you find this thread right here. Now if you read closely, it says that you cannot change your username in any way. It says it just right there. Now, if you read even more, you find out that there is an exception. It is that if you have created your account using Google or Apple ID, but there is a catch to it. Let's go ahead and research even more. If you open this window right here, it says that you have 30 days. That means if you have created your account under 30 days ago, you can go ahead and sign in, and you should get this message right here. Tap on change username, and then type your username right here and tap on next to save it. Now, if you don't get that window, there is no other way to change your username. You can just wait for Reddit to change their regulation and make it possible to change the username again. And that is it, guys, for this video. I hope it was useful for you. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.